How to fix Roblox 504 Gateway Timeout Error. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Roblox 504 Gateway Timeout Error. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then here on the search menu, simply search for Roblox application. Simply click onto the application. Now simply click on the drop down menu of App Support. Then here click on email. Then wait until you will be redirected to the Gmail application. Then here briefly describe your problem that you are dealing with. After that, simply click on the send button on the top right corner. Then within couple of hours or within couple of days, the team Roblox will reach out to you and give you an appropriate solve for your problem. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.